Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong review ng XM as a broker na nag-offer din ng trading services dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. On this video, pag-uusapan po natin ang mga important key features ng XM. Of course, una, sagutin muna natin ang tanong kung ano itong XM. And next, titignan din po natin kung paano ang XM account opening. Mabilis ba? Wala bang complication? And we are going to discuss also nitong mga account types na ino-offer nila for their clients. And more importantly, itong mga regulatory body na nagre-regulate sa broker na to. And itatakal din po natin ang trading education and XM copy trading. Ganon din ang deposit and withdrawal. Malalaman mo kung safe at convenient ba ito. And last but not the least, the trading platform na gagamitin natin the moment tayo ay mag-trade with this trading broker. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman ang mga informations about dito, tapusin mo lang panuorin ang video natin. And let's proceed. Now, una sa lahat mga kaibigan, ano po ba itong XM? Founded in 2009, XM Group is a global powerhouse that offers some of the best trading conditions and it offers a diverse range of assets including itong forex, metals, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and many more. Of course, in layman's term, this is a broker na matagal nang nag-operate in different parts of the world including dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. Regulated by numerous regulatory bodies. Its standout features include 1,000 plus tradable assets. May available din na swap-free accounts. Meron ding copy trading, up to 1:1,000 leverage, 24/7 customer support, and an inclusive environment for traders of all levels. Ibig sabihin, kahit na po tayo ay baguhan or experienced trader, XM can absolutely accommodate us. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa XM account opening. At ang good news dito, napakasimple at hindi complicated ang pag-open ng trading account sa broker na to. So, unang step of course is itong registration. To open an account with XM, click the link in the description below and you will be redirected to the official XM sign-up page. Then, provide necessary details like your country of residence, email, and password. Clients have their demo and real accounts opened automatically. To illustrate more sa aking mga nabanggit, again, puntahan mo lang ang description section ng ating video, gaya po nito. And this is the link na ating i-click. And ayan, you will be routed dito sa official sign-up page ng XM. Ang good news po nito mga kaibigan, ang XM ay isa sa mga iilang broker dito sa Pilipinas na consistent magbigay ng mga bonuses sa mga new clients. And as of now, pag tayo ay magbukas ng trading account, pwede tayong magkaroon ng 100% deposit bonus up to $500. Meaning, halimbawa, pag ikaw ngayon ay nag-deposit ng $100, magkakaroon ka ng another $100 din as bonus and you will have a total of $200 na panimulang capital to trade. At ang limit po nito ay $500. And that's definitely malaking tulong na po para sa atin. And talking about registration ng mga nabanggit natin kanina, ayan, ito po yung country of residence. Input mo lang ang yung active email, then you create your desired password, check lang po natin ito dito, and then register. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil lahat ng proseso at information na i-input natin are all the same as we use desktop. So, we're done with the first step, the registration. And next na gagawin is all about personal details. Enter personal information and upload a scanned copy of your identification document and proof of address. Valid po dito ang any government-issued IDs like driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. In terms naman sa proof of address, ay itong mga utility bills like sa tubig, kuryente, internet, and actually pwede rin ang bank account statement na merong naka-detail na address. and you will also provide relevant details about your trading experience. The final step is itong account verification. XM will review your application and documentation, then you will receive an email notification once your account is verified and approved. Ito naman yung mga trading account types ni XM. First, we have the standard account. Ito din yung default na makreate the moment tayo ay mag-register. Second, the micro account. Third, the ultra-low account. Meron ding ultra-low, micro, and shares account. Now, in terms of leverage, lahat po ng mga account types ay may 1:1,000 na leverage except sa share account. Talking about commission, ang meron lamang pong commission is itong shares account. In terms of spreads, the standard and the micro account ay for as low as 1.6 pips. The ultra-low and ultra-low micro account is for as low as 0.8 pips. Now, dito naman sa shares account, ang condition niya is as per underlying exchange. Minimum volume, 0.01 lots from standard down to ultra-low micro, and minimum of 1 lots dito sa shares account. Ang minimum deposit naman is only $5 from standard account to ultra-low micro account. Ang malaking pinagkaiba lamang po nito is itong sa shares account with a minimum deposit na $10,000 US. Alright? One of the most important considerations para ma-prove ang legitimacy ng isang broker ay ang kanilang licenses and regulatory compliance. Now, itong XM Trading Broker ay regulated with several regulatory bodies from different parts of the world. Una is itong Australian Securities and Investment Commission from Australia. Next, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission from Cyprus, the Dubai Financial Services Authority from United Arab Emirates, and the FSCA or the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa. And then, itong Financial Services Commission from Belize and Financial Conduct Authority in United Kingdom. Kung beginner ka sa trading, maring magtanong ka ngayon bakit walang sa Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission. Unfortunately, wala pa pong specific regulations na nag-govern in terms of market making or financial markets dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Now, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang pagkakaroon ng Personal Traders Area Tour. So, itong nakikita natin sa screen ngayon ay ang Personal Traders Area ng XM Trading Broker. Ang good news naman sa interface na to ay napaka-user-friendly po niya. And this is very advantageous, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners dahil nagbibigay po ito ng simplicity kaya madaling intindihin at exciting na i-explore. So dito sa pinaka-homepage makikita natin ang accounts overview. And as you can see, nandito ang ating real trading account and nandito rin ang demo account. Ngayon, kung gusto mo naman magdagdag ng additional trading account, click mo lang itong open additional account dito. At nandito ang step-by-step na gagawin at mabilis lamang po itong matapos. Now, explore pa po natin ang iba pang mga services and offers ng XM Trading Broker. Meron po silang Refer a Friend program at meron ding XM competitions. Anyone pwede pong sumali dito. And the most important services, especially sa mga beginners, is itong free trading education. Talagang top-notch ang XM in terms of educating and empowering traders in all levels, especially sa mga Filipinos na nag-aspire na magkaroon ng enough knowledge to become profitable sa financial markets. Iba pang mga important information at details na gusto nating malaman ay available sa bandang left side nitong user interface ng XM. And to continue our discussion, bigyan po natin ng special attention itong XM Copy Trading. Isa po itong promising opportunity sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners at wala masyadong oras na makapag-trade manually. The concept of copy trading, mga kaibigan, is plain and simple. Merong isang strategy provider or manager na siyang kinoconsider as expert at nagtitrade at tayo as follower or copyer, kukopyahin natin yung mga trade niya. And the moment this strategy manager ay nag-profit, ganun din po tayo as copyer magpa-profit din. Kaya nga sabi dito, trade like an expert. Ang medyo downside naman nito ay kapag itong kinopya natin na strategy provider ay natalo sa kanyang trade, of course, talo din po tayo. Kaya merong parameters and strategy din kung paano tayo pumili ng tama at profitable na strategy manager. And at the same time, though wala po itong registration fee, pag tayo ay mag-participate dito, meron po itong parang copying fee, a certain percentage na mapupunta kay strategy provider given na yung trade niya na kinopya natin ay nag-profit. At kung gusto mo na magsimula ngayon with XM Copy Trading, maglalagay din po ako ng link sa description ng video natin at pwede mo yung i-click para makapag-register. On the other hand, if you have a proven trading strategy at totoo naman na profitable ito, pwede mo rin po itong ipakopya dito sa XM Copy Trading platform at ikaw itong magiging strategy manager. So sa nabanggit natin kanina, there would be a parang copying fee na pwedeng umabot ng up to 50% as charges dun sa profit ng mga nagkopya as rewards na rin or fee sa'yo bilang strategy provider. Now, ang pag-uusapan naman po natin ay itong deposit and withdrawal ng XM Trading Broker. Mabilis ba ang proseso sa pag-deposit? Wala bang mga issues the moment tayo ay nag-withdraw? So, tingnan po natin ito mga kaibigan. Now, in terms sa pag-deposit, available po dito ang mobile banking and of course, nandito ang pinaka-common na ginagamit na e-wallet dito sa Pilipinas, ang GCash. Meron din online bank transfer. Andito rin ang Visa and Mastercard credit and debit cards. And meron din Google Pay, Neteller, and Skrill. So maraming option na pwede po nating pagpipilian. As per experience ko mga kaibigan, mabilis bang mag-deposit dito? Actually, sobrang convenient ang pag-process. Ngayon, proceed po tayo sa mga withdrawal mode of payments na available dito sa XM. So, merong important note dito, basahin mo lang. And as you can see, meron po akong quick withdrawal methods, meaning nagamit ko na po ito pag-deposit and at the same time pag-withdraw. So, ito po yung Union Bank account ko. So, naka-attach na po yan. Other withdrawal methods includes GCash, online bank transfer. Nandito rin ang Visa and Mastercard na mga debit and credit cards. And itong Neteller and Skrill. So in general, kung ano yung available sa pag-deposit ay ganun din available dito sa withdrawal as mode of payments. Ito naman yung trading platform na pwede nating gamitin the moment tayo ay magti-trade with XM. Generally speaking, ang XM ay MetaTrader-based broker. Wherein ang pwede po nating gamiting platform dito ay ang MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The best part naman ay pwede natin itong i-access with MetaTrader app. Pwede rin po sa PC, multi-terminal at ang paborito ko ang WebTrader. At available po siya sa kahit anong gadget na gusto nating gamitin. On top of that, available din ang award-winning XM Trading app na pwede nating ma-download sa App Store and Google Play. Pwede tayong makapag-place ng trade dito anytime, anywhere, as long as merong reliable internet connection. In terms naman sa customer support ng XM Trading Broker, with my experience mga kaibigan, ay napaka-reliable po niya. Available po ito 24/7 compared to other broker na pwede lamang po tayong makapag-contact sa kanila 24/5. And anywhere you went through dito sa kanilang website, makikita mo lagi itong support button dito. And if you are going to click it, makikita natin ang mga options na pwede nating pagpipilian paano tayo makipag-communicate sa kanilang authorized support staff. Customer support may sounds little thing but napaka-importante po nito mga kaibigan the moment magkaroon tayo ng concerns and technical issues sa ating pagtitrade. In conclusion, XM stands out as a versatile broker catering to traders of all experience levels. Beginner ka man, intermediate, or advanced na uri ng trader. As to our careful review and evaluation with this broker, surely tayo ay ma-accommodate. Sabi pa nga sa kanilang tagline, they are malaki, fair, and makatao. And numbers don't lie naman talaga with them. Meron po itong 15 million plus clients from over 190 countries, 8.5 plus billion trades executed with zero requotes or rejections, and 30 plus languages sa kanilang pinagmamayabang na award-winning customer experience team. Its impressive features, adherence to regulations, and dedication to user satisfaction make it an excellent option for anyone interested in delving into the world of trading. However, ito yung laging tandaan natin, it's crucial for potential traders to conduct thorough research before making any final decisions. The bottom line is, in every business and investments, meron talagang risk and you need to be responsible sa mga gagawin the moment mag-engage ka sa ganitong uri na pagkakitaan. So mga kaibigan, that's all for our video today. I hope nakuha mo ang mga informations na yung kailangan as to XM Trading Broker is concerned. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.